What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see 6 variable KMap. Here you can see we have A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 variable KMap. So let's see. Actually 6 variable, we had to draw 6 variable KMap. To draw the 6 variable KMap, what we had to do is we had to take 4 input KMap. So it's going to look like this. And here let me make it small so I can fit in here. So I'm going to make this size. Okay, I'm gonna need some space, so I have to go bottom. Let me make it a little bit bigger. You know what? I had to shrink this question, so I had to do something for it. I'm gonna copy this one. Okay, here we go. Now let's actually draw the KMap. So we are gonna have four input KMaps. One here, one here. Let's draw one here and one right here. Okay, and this KMap is when a is equal to 0, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. This is for a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and after that you go b is equal to 1, I mean a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Okay, now we have 4 input KMap. Let's actually draw the KMap first. Okay. You know, it's better to make equal, but okay, you know, as long as we have the space, we are good. My drawing is not good, but okay. Okay, so let's label them. This is we have taken care of A and B. A and B are the tables, right? So we have to take care of the other things. C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. C, D. Okay. CD, let me write it a little bit upper. CD, EF. This one also CD, EF, CD, EF. Okay, let's number them. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and this one also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now let's look at the locations. What does this location represents? Here, since we have A0, B0, we don't have to worry about. We just can label it like 0, 1, 2, 3 as we label before, right? Because 0 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 1 is 1, 0 0 1 1 is 3, 0 0 1 0 is 2, and then 0 0 1 0 0, that is 4, 0 1 0 1, that is 5, 0 1 1 1, that is 7, 0 1 1 0 is 6, 1 1 0 0, that is 12, 1 1 0 1, that is 13, 1 1 1 1, that is 15, 1 1 1 0, that is 14, 1 0 0 0, that is 8, 1 0 0 1, that is 9, 1 0 1 1, that is 11, 1 0 1 0, that is 10. Okay, so we have taken care of this one. And if you look at this one, this is A is 0, B is 1. So this is like you're taking 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, like 0 1 0 0 0 0. What is this number if you convert to decimal? That is 16, right? Because the weight of this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So that's 16. So 16 you can do for all of them. But the better way you can do is you can look at this pattern, how it's increasing. If you follow this for everything, it's going to be the same. So here you can see 0 1 2 3. We go 0 1 and then 2 go bottom 3. That's the pattern we have. So everywhere is going to be the same. See here also 16 17 18 19, and then 20 here, 21 22 23, and after that we have to go here 24 25 26 27, and then 28 29 30 31. If you are getting 31, we did it right, because this is like 2 power 5 maximum. So 31 is the maximum value, because since we are starting from 0, we have 32 space. 31 should be the maximum. Now let's go to the next one. And after you go here and here, then you have to come here, because you can see this A is 1, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0 mean the expression we are going to have is like this 0. This place location represents what? A is 1, B is 0, and this one after that CD 0 0, EF 0 0. What is this number? This weight of this one is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So that is 32. 2 power 5 is 32. So this location start from 32. Then you do the 6x, same thing we did here. 32, 33, 34, 35, and then 36, 37, 38, 39, and then you go here. That is 40, 41, 42, 43, and then you go here 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, so once you have done here, then you have to go here. Here you have to look at the number, first number carefully. 1 1 0 0 0 0. What is this number? The weight of this one is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 plus 16, 48. So we finished 47 here. This is the 48 we are starting, right? 48, and then you do the same like increment like right here as well. 48, 49, 50, 51, and then 52, 53, 54, 55, and then 55 we finish. Then the 56 come here, 57, 58, 59, then 58, 59, and then 60 comes here, 60, 61, 62, 63. So if I'm getting 63, I did everything right. The reason is, since when we have 6 variable KMap, 2 power 6, what's the maximum we're going to have? 64, right? So since we are starting from 0, 63 is the maximum number we are going to have. So if you end up with 63 counting, you did it right. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug the values given in the equation. So here we have min term provided. Min term mean these are locations of ones. We have a 1 at 0. We have a 1 here, and we have a 1 at 1. We have a 1 at 2. We have 1 at 4. We have 1 at 5. We have 1 at 6. We have 1 at 7. 7. We have 1 at 9. We have 1 at 13. We have 1 at 15. We have 1 at 17. We have 1 at 23. We have 1 at 24. We have 1 at 27. We have 1 at 29. We have 1 at 30. We have 1 at 31. We have 1 at 33. 33. Here is 33. Okay, right here. We have a 1 at 37. 37. Where do we go? Okay, here we go. 37. And 39, 40, 42. 39, 40, 42. And then 44, 45, 46, 47. 44, 45, 46, 47. 49, 53, 55, 57. 49, there's that here. 4, yeah, I started here 48, this is 49. 49, 53, 55, 57. 53, 55, 57. And then we have 59, 60, 61, 62. 59, 60, 61, 62, and 63. Okay, that's it. Let me see if I'm missing the 28. Oh, so there's nothing there. What about 21? You know what? For the example, I want to show something. So let's add in this question 21 as well. Okay. Let me add here. So you can see that. So I'm going to add a 21 to show, so just for the example. 21 here, okay, in the question. So it should be here since I cannot change it. Let me see if I can change it. Actually, I can put. So I am adding a 21 here. So I'm going to have a 1 right here. It's just to show something. Okay, so when we have four input K maps, what does it represent is like when you have 6 variable K map and you have throwing four input K map for it, it means these are adjacent to each other. Like if you see same patterns, you can connect them together. Like I can comment like you have to look at the two powers, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. You can keep on going. 2 power, let's think about 2 power 5. Can I combine these four and make it 32? No way. But can I combine these four and make it a 60? That's possible because these four are adjacent to each other. So if you recognize a similar pattern in four of them, you can connect them together. Like you can see this pattern exiting. Let me use a different color. This pattern existing in all the four input KMap. So I can connect them together. This is 16 together. We can combine as 16 together. Right? Like that. If you recognize a pattern in four of them, you can combine and make it four. Like another example. This one here, I can take this one, this one, this one, this one, and make it a four. You know. So if you want it, you can do that. So like 32 is better than 16, 16 is better than 8, 8 is better than 4, 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1. So you have to always select the maximum possible you can select. So 16 is the maximum I can select, and I found one. For this one, is A changing? Here you can see this table is A is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, this table A is equal to 1. So this is changing, so A is eliminated. B is 0, 1, B is changing, eliminated. Let's look at the C. Let me remove this one. Okay, let's go the C. C is all over like 0 and 1, right? 0 and 1 all over, and here C is changing actually because here is 0 and this column is 1. So C is changing, C is eliminated. D is 1 1. So if it's 1 1, like you can see 0, if it's 0 1 C 1 1, it's going to be 0 1 1 for all things. So you can just look at one table and do that. So this is 1 1. I mean, D is not changing. D is 1 here, 1 here. So D is going to be coming in the equation we express. Let me use a different color to do the expression. Let's use a color I didn't use. Okay. D is equal to what we looked at. We looked at D. D didn't change. What about EF? E is changing 0 to 1. So E is eliminated. F is 1 1. So F is going to be there. So the expression for this 16 we selected is DF. Let's look at anything else. Can I combine anything else as 16? Is there any way I can connect 4 in 4 tables? There's no other way, right? We don't see any other pattern similar to this. So the next thing is, if we cannot find any more 16, next thing is, can I combine as 8? Is there any way I can combine these as 8? 8 also not possible, right? Is there any 8? Okay, I'm seeing an 8. Okay, if you look at this pattern right here, this one, this one, this one, this one, all four have the same location, like this. like similar look, what you can go same, right? Same location, same pattern. So this one we can combine, and this is an 8. And for this one is a changing, a is 0 in this table, a is 0, but here is a is 1, a is changing, eliminated. B is 0, b is 1, eliminated. um what about C and D? C is 0, 0. In both of them C is 0, so C is not changing. It's going to be in the equation we are putting. So C is 0, so I have to put a complement for it. And D is changing. D is 0, 1. D is changing. How about E and F? E and F are 0, 1, right? It's in the same, it's in the one row, so E and F is going to be the same all over. 0 and 1. E is 0, so I had to do complement for it. And then F is 1, so I keep it as it is. Okay. And the next thing is, can I find any more 8 here? So I don't see any pattern that is coming on 4, because I don't see any 8 in the one table. There's no 8 in one table. And can I combine 2 table and make it an 8? Yeah, these two are 8. You can see these two, they are on top of each other, so I can combine these two, right? So if I combine them, I don't have anything else. Like in the other tables we don't have that pattern, so only these two tables. We take that one, express this. A is not changing, A is 1, A is 1 here, so A is not changing, it's going to be there. B is changing, B is 1, B is 0, B is changing, so eliminated. How about CD? Since it's in the same column, the CD is same, CD is not changing, 1, 1, so both of them are going to be there. EF, E is changing, 0, 1, E eliminated. F is 0, 1 here, eliminated. Okay. The next thing is, can I combine anything else as 4? Is there like 4 there? I don't see anything 8 in the 4 tables together. How about 2 tables? Can I combine 4 in 2 tables? I don't see any other things. Okay, so I think we have taken care of all of the 8s. Now we have to look for 4s. Here you can see, you can make this one as 4, or you can make the top and bottom. If I take the top and bottom, I can cover all the part that didn't cover, because these are already covered. I don't want to combine them and do separately, so I can do this one. This is better. Top and bottom, you have to think like fold. If you can fold vertically, or if you have like one here, and if you can fold horizontally and connect them, you can do that. So here you can fold vertically and connect them, right? So these 4 are going to be there. Let's write the expression for this. Is A changing? No, this is only happening in one table, so A is 0 always. So A is going to be there. A is there and A is 0. I have to do a complement. B, this is only happening in one table, so B is 0 in this table. So B is going to be there as well. B is not changing. So I had to do a complement for B. B is 0. I had to do a complement for it. And then CD. How about CD? C is not changing. C is 0, 0. So C is going to be there. Since C is 0, I had to do a complement for it. And D is changing. D is changing from 0 to 1, so it's going to be eliminated. How about E and F? E is 0 here, 1 here. So E is changing, is eliminated. F is 0 here, 0 here. So F is same, so it's going to be there. Since F is 0, I had to do a complement for it. Okay, this is the expression. Can I combine anything else as 4? This one, can I make it a 4? No. How about this one? Can I make it a 4? No. How about this one? Can I make it a 4? No. Okay. How about this two ones. Can I make it a 4? Yes. You can see I can connect them with this. 4 is better than 2. You cannot make 2 when you have 4 possible. So that's why I make this a 4. So here A is not changing because since this is happening in the same table, A and B are going to be 1. So A and B are not changing. Both of them are going to be there. And how about CD? C is 1 here, 1 here. C is not changing. Going to be there. D is 1 here, 0 here. C is changing, eliminated. And then E is 0 here, 1 here, changing, eliminated. F 1 here, 1 here, not changing. It's going to be there. Okay, this is the expression for this. Now let's look at the rest of them, the one we didn't take care of. We have these two ones. Can I combine and make it a 4? Actually, I can combine this one and make it a 4, because if you take this one, bottom 2 and top 2, I can make it a 4. Right? I can make this a 4. If we do that, A is, since this is happening in one table, A and B are not changing. A is going to be there. B is a 0. I have to do a complement for it. And how about C? C is 1, 1. C is not changing. So C is going to be there. D is 1 and 0. D is changing. So it's going to be eliminated. E is 0, 1. Changing. Eliminated. F is 0, 0. Not changing. So it's going to be there, but I had to do a complement for it. This is 0. Let's look at the things we didn't take care of. Can I make this one a 4? Yes. I can connect this one with this. 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1. So 4 is better. Here you can see A and B is going to be same because this is only happening in one table. So they both are going to be there. Let me put the plus over here. Okay, I'm keep on counting. I don't have space. That's why I'm writing in the bottom. So A is 0, B is 0. So I have to complement for both of them. And how about CD? CD is changing. C is 0, 1 here, so changing. D is 0, 1, 1 here, so it's eliminated. Both of them eliminated. How about EF? Since if you see one happening in same row, it means the value is going to be same. Like E and F is going to be same. E is 0, so have to do complement for it. And then F is 1. It's going to be like this. Okay. What else we have? We have this one. Can I make this one a 4? No way. Can I make this one a 4? No way. Can I make this one a 4? No way. Okay. So I cannot make the one remaining a 4. But can I make this one a 2? Can I make this one a 2? Yes. How? You take this. You see the same location, right? So what is changing? A is changing. A is 0 here, 1 here. Changing. B is 1 here, 0 here. Changing. So both of them are eliminated. How about C and D? C and D 1 0 1 0. So both of them are going to be there. C D and okay, C D, both of them we took. What else? Okay, C D, but D is a 0, so I have to do complement. EF remains the same because it's only in one row. So E and F gonna be there, but both of them are 0. I have to do complement for it. Okay, let's look at this one. Can I make this one a 2 or 4? Okay, here's one thing you have to be careful of. Yeah, you can make this one a 4, these two at 4, because you see the same pattern over here and here, right? Okay, let me see. Yeah, I can combine these two with these two. This is both of them in the third column. Take these two, same location. So these two adjacent to each other. So we can combine like this. If we do that, A and B are changing. Both of them eliminated. Both of them eliminated. C and D are not changing because it's only happening in one column. Both of them are 1, so both of them are going to be there. C, D. And how about E and F? E is not changing. It's going to be there. F is changing 1 to 0. So F is eliminated. This is the expression. Okay, now we have taken care of that. And we just only have one left right here. Okay, you may ask, okay, how about this? Can you combine this one and this one? No, because you have to go like this way, right? If you see anything adjacent to this and this, combine. If you see anything adjacent to this and this, combine. If you see anything adjacent to this and this, combine. But you cannot go from here to here or here to here. That's what you have to be careful of, okay? So that's basically, but I can make this one a 2. Okay, if I do that, is A changing? Because since that's happening in the one table, A and B are going to be the same, so both of them are going to be there. A complement, and then B remains the same. How about CD? C is not changing. C is going to be there, and then D is changing. D is 1 here, 0 here, so it's changing. It's eliminated. And how about E and F? Since it's happening in one row, this E and F is going to be the same. 1 1. Both of them are going to be there. That's it. We have taken care of all of them. Okay, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.